Have you ever been motivated to draw because you wanted to learn or maybe get better at it? Well, I have. It all happened 5 years ago before I knew that I could draw. I was a huge fan of anime, which was my starting design. And like most people, I taught myself how to sketch. As you can see, start from this, then to that. I'll be giving out 3 important tips from my observations for you to start your own journey and to get a head start in art. Tip number 1, finding your style. Everyone, including artists and non-artists, have their own unique style when drawing. If you don't like your style or you would like to improve it, then all you have to do is add on from someone else's style. Styles can be a whole combination of many different ones, which can turn to be amazing. It's similar to making cake, soup, muffins, or more. Tip number 2, flicks. If you like to draw, then you can probably relate to what I'm about to say. Drawing can be pretty challenging when it comes to wobbly lines. Lucky for you, I can help on that. Instead of drawing a long line without lifting the pencil, try making flicks. To simplify what I'm saying, it's basically just making tiny lines or strokes over and over again. Tip number 3, practice makes perfect. I have a huge passion for art and I hope to make a living with it. In order to get better and faster, it requires practice. Practice plays a huge role in improving in many things like your favorite sport, hobby, dance, song, and especially art. I try every day while getting better and faster through the process. That is all of the tips for this video, and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. This will help out the community and we'll all be so grateful. Thank you and God bless.